Alright, it's that time of week again. It's update day. What's new? I actually don't know what's new yet. Just like a chainsaw? Is that it? Okay, well, you guys know the deal. We're just gonna play solos. We're just trying to win a game and get the new item. Let's go. We found it! Okay, well, I have to test it out though. I can't just not. Wait a minute. Wait just a second. What the fuck? Oh, wow. Who just shot at me? Yeah, bitch. Oh.
Who the fuck is that guy?
Who are you? Oh, it's another raptor. Wait, come here. Give me my chainsaw, bitch. This hurts me more than it hurts you. I'm sorry, raptor. Oh, man. It hurts to see one go, but I do need my chainsaw. Where did it go? There it is. Man, he was wasting this thing. There's nobody even here. Damn, fucking moron. Yes. Another chainsaw? Wait, can I go double chainsaw? Alright. You guys know I have to hit him with a double chainsaw. This is just how it works now. You know what? I've just decided on a new rule. Every time I see a chainsaw, I'm gonna have to pick it up. I'm probably gonna regret this later, but it'll make the video more interesting. Legendary fruit. Give me a shotgun. Another chainsaw. Okay. This is not shaping out to be very good for me. Do I? Is he coming for me? Oh, fuck! Are you kidding me, dude? Where did this come from? Am I, like, missing some lore or something? I don't remember this being here. And I played, like, 2 days ago. Holy shit! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I doubted your skill. I thought it was a bot. Think you sneaky? Stupid. Come here. Trying to hide in the corner? What's up? Oh shit. Come here. Got him. Oh, come here. Wait, his movement is insane. Where does he go? Where did he go? I have to run for so long. What does this do? Oh, fuck. There's no shot, dude! God, my aim is so bad. Okay, that was a close one. Could really use some slurp juice right about now.
Today, we're gonna make slurp juice.
Okay. The chug splashes.
It definitely tastes amazing.
Oh my god. But you know what? A wise man once said that 65 health could be the difference between death and life. He said that. It's true. Oh, fuck. What the hell? No. That doesn't just, like, slide under the radar. Oh my god, his movement! It's insane! No, I'm getting this. I'm determined. He's so speedy! I'm never gonna catch up to him. His movement is literally, like, insane. There's just no winning. Hey, stupid. Come here. No! Yeah, that's honestly, that's fair. Dude, I love this landing spot so much. There's so much smoke here. It's a lot of action, honestly. But I have something that will make it better. I think it's about time we visit an old friend. Clueless. No, no. Give me your guns. Quickly. I was never supposed to be here in the first place. It's time to go. I'm here. Another one? Alright. Okay. Okay. I get it. I get it. Wait a minute. Hole. Stop everything you're doing. There's a hole. Honestly, there's something really calming about the hole. Wait, there's actually so many chests in the hole. Alright, I guess I'll be coming to the hole more often. My baby. Actually. There we go. Oh god. This guy isn't going to the hole, right? You aren't going to the hole, right, sir? Yeah. Yeah, get away from my hole.
What do you mean by that?
Give me all these guns right now. How the fuck did you get a gun? No, no, no. You were... No, no, no. You wanted all the smoke a second ago. Come here. Bitch. Oh, and you had a golden shotty for me. What a gentleman you are. Please get away from me. Stupid fucking dog. Another one? Oh, don't come down here.
I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
Okay. Please don't tell me there's people coming here now. Because those stupid dogs are making so much noise. All I need is just some, come on guys, I just need some good old-fashioned chainsaws. Oh, oh, you want to fight, huh? Alright. Come here then. How come these guys always want all the smoke and they always win? They always win. Oh my god, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't think this is gonna work. What the fuck? All of that. I have to wait 2 minutes for this match, dude. I don't know how much longer I can take this. Can you stop with the beeping, please? Oh my god. Oh, you're kidding me, dude. Well, I'm wondering what to do. Man, these are trash. What the hell? Okay. Shotgun. Actually, you know what? Maybe I understand what all the fuss was about. We gotta keep fishing, though, to find out. You know, I feel like in all my episodes, I just end up fishing at some point. I mean, can you blame me, though? Like, who doesn't love fishing? God. I am very talented at this. That is a shark. He doesn't see me. You just bit my fish! He's gonna bite me! You know what? No, come here. I'm not done with you. I'm catching a big one. I'm taking a big one home. Holy shit! What is going on? I've never... Okay. I'm actually okay with this. Right, let's go. We're getting out of here, I suppose. This is the best day of my life. It's so majestic. You know what? I'm gonna name this shark. Your new name is Luther. There's a boost? What the fuck? This is officially epic. Ow! Just like that, huh? Like we had nothing... You know what? Come here, Luther. I got a little surprise for you, buddy. It has to happen, Luther. Let it happen. Come here, Luther. Let it happen, Luther. This is what happens. I'm sorry. Get over yourself, Luther. Come here. Yeah, let's go into land, buddy. Oh, I bet your skin loves that, doesn't it? Oh, wait. It doesn't. And now you're stuck. You stupid little bastard. You can't leave. Not after what you did to me. This is too much Fortnite. You know, we're just gonna come back. We're just gonna come back later.